Alright guys, so a couple days after, Saturday, got the manifold off the old one. Here it is. This is the one that lasted me a long time. This is the new one. I don't think you guys seen it yet. This is the new one. A little bit, almost the same, a little bit different. But yeah, so that's what cracked that right there. As you can see, we welded it before, but this time, holy crap, it broke all the way through. You guys can see. Yeah, I know you guys are gonna talk about the welds, but we literally just tap welded it, just like a hold, and it did for like another 3 years. Now it literally just cracked all the way around, all the way up there. Yeah. So anyway, this is the new one right here. Gonna put this one on. The gaskets, gotta put the gasket sealer on it and everything. So we're just gonna put everything on and then show you guys later. I just wanna get this out the way. Alright, so I'm gonna be putting these studs in the motor, well, in the head, because I didn't have them before, so it was just using the ones here and then just using a bolt inside. So we're just gonna put these inside. So all we gotta just do is just use nuts on all of them. Make life so much easier. Alright, so the manifold is on. I was able to tie in one, but I'm having a little bit of trouble. So we're using these bolts that you throw them to the top and you put a nut on the bottom and then just clamps it. So it should be good. These exhaust ones are tightened. Just gotta put this on. This guy came over. His dog. Who are you working or are you chilling today? Chilling today. Alright. But yeah, the only thing is, talking to Julio, these are a little bit thinner than these, and this one is. So I don't know if that's gonna mess with my power or what. But yeah, I mean, I guess we shall see. Hopefully it doesn't. So let's see what happens. But actually, I'm just gonna throw on the wastegate right now. While my dad tries to tighten the bottom. Try to tighten it, but I couldn't get it, so I'm gonna throw on the wastegate. Alright, so it took me like 30 years to get that bottom bolt tightened, but I got it tight. Bottom bolts on the manifold tightened. Like I said, these are a little bit thinner, so hopefully it doesn't affect my power. But everything's on and ready to go, so let's see. I saw pressure come out the exhaust, so we're good. It's probably gonna take a little bit to turn on now. It's probably gonna die. Alright, so as you guys saw, it turned on, but I had to keep my foot on the gas because I don't know, it's been doing that for a while now. But yeah, so the battery's dead because the car's been on for a while. It's been super cold, so I'm gonna just start it up and hopefully everything's good. I mean, I've seen pressure already come out the exhaust, so more than likely everything is fine. I actually have like a good gasket for the wastegate now, because before I didn't have one, so I had like a little bit of a leak there. I put gasket maker there. I forgot to put Loctite on these bolts, and I didn't feel like taking everything out again. So yeah, but it should be good. So it basically threads. There's threads here, and there's a nut in the bottom. So with the threads, it doesn't come out, and it just pulls it down and tightens it with the nut in the bottom. So yeah, I mean, these are a little bit like, let's see. Yeah, they're probably like that much skinnier, but I don't know. Let's see. Hopefully, it don't make that much of a difference. We'll see. So sorry guys, I forgot to record the car turning on. The car turns on, and I know it's gonna sound weird, but I'm guessing that manifold, well, alright, so it was cracked already. We welded it, and I guess it probably cracked again, and I drove it like that on the dyno and everything, so I couldn't make even more power. But now with this manifold on, like, you legit hear like so much of a difference. You guys are probably not gonna notice it, but I definitely notice it. But like, dude, I notice it because the car sounds the car, you guys can hear the car sounds alive. So I'm just gonna let all of this burn off. As you guys can see, everything is just burning off right here. This is just from us touching it with greasy hands and everything, and the manifold is new, so all of that has to basically burn out, and it'll burn out through here too. But dude, this car sounds fucking good. I just want to tell you guys, sorry if I didn't film, like if I didn't really vlog a lot of it, because I just wanted to get this out the way, because it was giving me such of a hassle because when you go turbo, you don't have a lot of space. So I was literally just wrenching like I was literally like tightening the wastegate like this much every time, and the bolt was like that big. So it was just so much that was going on. We couldn't tighten the bottom nuts because we had like no leverage. We figured out a way to get leverage. We got leverage on that, and yeah, dude, she sounds healthy. I checked, no leaks anywhere anymore. The exhaust sounds good. The car definitely feels way more alive. So that means that manifold that I had was cracked for probably years, and I didn't really notice it. And that just goes to show you that this thing, hopefully with this manifold, it'll drive the same, and if that, it'll drive even stronger because now there's literally no type of crack, no leaks, no anything. So, but right now, she should be good. This manifold should hold me off for hopefully like a year or so. I'm gonna go with a new style. I'm gonna go with like a more durable ram horn. So I'm gonna go with ram horn, and I'm gonna go with a V-band to the wastegate. So I'm gonna change it up next year, but for right now, this should be good. So not bad at all, guys. It's time to take it around the block, guys. See how she performs. See if she's still good. Pretty sure she is. So let's put the camera up here. I'm not gonna do anything crazy because I'm in a local street. I'm just gonna do little light pulls. Just want to make sure she's good. So let's check. Dude, this thing sounds so much louder. Like it's insane. Like you can feel that now it has no exhaust leak at all. Probably gonna get home and after these pools, and then just let the car keep running so all of that exhaust smoke can just come out. I don't know if you guys know, for most like headers and exhausts, whenever you put them on, there's a lot of white smoke and stuff that comes out of them because you have to burn all that out. And I put silicone, so a little bit of silicone probably is getting burned off also. It's a mixture of everything. So there's no like a little. Let's see. Jesus. Alright, so I have to take you guys off the suction cup. I want you guys to see this. You guys know how the manifold was silver, right? Just with these light pulls, you can see that the manifold got hot, and it's already turning gold. And then once it goes from silver to gold, then it goes brown. Once you start using it, and it gets really hot. But yeah, I'm checking. I put my hand around. Don't feel any leaks at all. She's good. She's golden. I'm gonna go back home to make sure everything gets tightened a little bit more, because once usually when you put like a manifold or something on like that, you gotta make sure that the bolts get tightened again, because when it gets hot, sometimes they get loose. So yeah, but right now she looks good. I'm out here enjoying her real quick before I go home. But damn, I'm so happy with the turnout right now. You wanna know something too? I just realized. So I did a two-step not so long ago, just to make sure that, you know, the car was good, make sure everything was good. And she actually two steps better now. Should I do a two-step for you guys? A little two-step? Let me let this car pass by. Do a little light two-step for you guys. Yeah, definitely two steps and everything more better now. But yeah, let's stop being crazy and head home. Gotta take the wife out. All right, guys. So I was gonna check over the bolts and stuff, make sure it was tight, but this is way too hot, so I'm not gonna burn myself. So I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Hopefully this video is long enough for you guys. I know it's been a long wait, but I've been busy with work, waiting on the manifold, and it's been a lot. So I just need one more wheel spacer for that side. Then I'll be 20 offset all around. If you guys are gonna come out to my meet and rollout, it's happening on Sunday, the morning of March Madness. I'll put a flyer right here. This flyer, I've posted it on my Instagram. A lot of people said they're gonna come out. People have been sharing it that I don't even know. So it should be a good turnout. So we're gonna meet up at a Pizza Hut. That's they usually do like local meets there, but they used to like on Wednesdays and stuff. So we're gonna meet there, and then from there we're just gonna roll out to the spot, and yeah, it should be a good time, guys. So let me know if you guys are gonna come out. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this car, car's good. You know what I'm saying? Regardless, the car's good. I drove it, I beat on it. Car's good. So see you guys. I don't know. Maybe another video come before this. I don't know. But I gotta clean this car out, clean it and all of that on Saturday. So I might just do like a March Madness prep video of just cleaning the car, taking out the inside, just cleaning it up. I don't know. We'll see. See you guys later. Build to enjoy. Peace.
Yo guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.